Welcome to Easy Late English, English speaking for beginners. And here we are giving a construction, one simple construction. It is a very simple construction. It is, and actually it is pronounced it's. This is the most useful construction in English because you can answer a variety of questions using the simplest construct. It is. It is the simplest thing we teach children. It is a dog, it is a cat, but it is can be used for a variety of purposes. And once you know some of the uses, you can actually start speaking from day one. So start speaking today in just 10 minutes, and all we are using is the construct it is. Of course, it will be pronounced it's. So this is also a mobile view special, English speaking for beginners using the most simple, the most easy, and the most common thing, it is or it's. The simplest construct in colloquial English is it is, and when you are talking, we pronounce it as it's. It is the easiest and simplest construct, and yet the most useful with versatile use. So let us see the variety of sample questions and answers in which we can use it is or it's. What's the time, please? What's the time, please? You can answer it's 8:30. It's, note the construct. It is. It's 8:30. What's the time, please? It's 8:30. Next. Here's an animal, and a child is asking mother, what animal is that? It's a deer. It's a deer. Again, it is or it's. It's a deer. What animal is that? It's a deer or it is a deer. Next. Who is on the phone, son? Who is on the phone, son? Mother is asking. It's on Polly, ma. Who is on the phone? It's on Polly. It is. It is on Polly. It's on Polly. Who is on the phone? It is or it's on Polly. Next. I think it's malaria. It is malaria. You don't have to say I have malaria or I think I'm suffering from malaria. No complicated structure. I think it's malaria. No dear, it's only viral fever. It's viral fever. I think it's malaria. No, it's viral fever. So you use it is or it's. It's malaria. Someone is saying and mother is saying no, it's only viral fever. Next. What's for dinner, Anne? What's for dinner? That means what is. What's for dinner, Anne? It's curried mutton. It's curried mutton. It is. It is. It's curried mutton. So again, what's for dinner? It's curried mutton. What are you reading, Jane? What are you reading, Jane? It's a horror story. It means it is. What are you reading? It's a horror story. It's or it is. It's a horror story. What are you reading? It's a horror story. Did you buy it from the mall? Whatever it might be. Did you buy it from the mall? No, it's online. It is. Again, note, it is. No, it's online. It's from Amazon. It is online or it's online. It's from Amazon. Did you buy it from the mall or did you buy it at the mall? You can also say at the mall. Did you buy it from the mall or did you buy it at the mall? No, it's online. It's from Amazon. I must have some iced tea. It's so hot today. It's so hot. It's so hot today. It's so hot today. I need some iced tea. It is so hot, or it's so hot today. I may be a bit late. It's raining here. It's raining. It is raining. It's raining a bit. Sorry, it's raining heavily, so I may be late home. It's raining. It's raining here. It is raining here. It's raining here. Why is the bus so overcrowded? You can see, why is the bus so overcrowded? Oh, it's a World Cup final today. Again, it's the World Cup final today. The bus is so overcrowded because it is the World Cup final today. So why is the bus so overcrowded? It's the World Cup final today. It's. So that was from Easy Elite English. So just one simple construct, it is or its, will help you to answer a variety of questions. So practice with it is and start speaking English today. And remember, our free online English learning classes are there. You can always contact us. So till we meet again, thank you and goodbye.